We are in August 2022, and on a day like this, August 1989, I departed Jamaica for a 1 year sojourn in Spain. And boy, what a year that turned out to be. Now, if you have followed the Sheri Says podcast, you would have been hearing tidbits of my life in Spain, how I got there, and in this Sheri Says video presentation, we have some images to go with it. So, just to do a quick blast from the past, here are some photos of me and my family and my friends, life in Spain, in Villanova hit La Geltru, during our trip to Madrid, El Museo del Prado, for the reunion of 90 of the top works of the noted painter Velázquez, and so much more. And then you are gonna see a sight for sore eyes. Yes, 32 years later, my dear friend Shawna returned to Jamaica with her family and her amazing husband, Gary. We had some fun. Take a look. You would have noticed in my introduction that I said Shawna and family returned to Jamaica. It's kind of interesting because I guess technically they've always been in Jamaica because they have been in Jamaica in my heart. But it was their very first time to the island of Jamaica. And there's a whole story behind it. You know me. I have stories. So, if you want to know the story, how after 32 years, I finally met up with my dear friend Shawna, you can ask me. Just state that in the comment section below, and I'd be more than happy to do that story time with you. Who knows? We might even conference Shawna in, because it's always better to get both sides of the story.
So different.
You guys want to try this? So, what's the difference?
This one. What do you taste?
I want to say vanilla, but that can't be right.
Correct.
Vanilla?
That's one. That's vanilla. That's one.
Okay.
Cinnamon.
Is there cinnamon? That one I can taste. Maybe, yeah, I don't like cinnamon, so it's hard for me to pick it up.
It has for you to pick it up, but not much, but
Yeah.
there's a little bit in there.
But no, I get the vanilla.
You know, you get,
More fruit
yeah,
in there?
yeah.
Just for fun. Ooh.